Students take green industries because it teaches them skills for landscaping, it teaches them skills for greenhouse, for working with plants, for growing food, even in their own gardens. We focus on food production and care of animals. We have animals here on site. We have chickens and rabbits. We do field trips to farms so we can go see different ways of producing food.
I took green industries because it's a kind of class like no other. So hands-on, there's not a day where you're not working with chickens or working with plants. And it just gives you an opportunity that you would never get anywhere else. And it's such a fun class. It's like a highlight of your day because you learn so much applicable skills. I learned about soil, how to take care of chickens, how to grow food. It was so awesome.
I take tech because I want to learn about the environment. We start the day with chores, watering plants, check on the chickens, check on the bunnies. There's just so much to do and so much to learn. Any job that's to do with the environment or ecosystem, you could take out of this classroom.
It's a welcoming environment and it showed me many new things that I didn't know about the environment and different animals around me that I really wanted to learn about.
Students take tech in grade 10 to learn about forestry in the natural environment, looking at species identification and seed identification, and looking at how we can maintain biodiversity in our environment.